Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit a photo on Picsart application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go to the store of your smartphone. Either you can go to Play Store if you have an Android, or you can just go to the App Store if you have an iOS phone. So now basically we need to download the Picsart software or app. So we go to the search field and search for Picsart. So basically we go here, we search for it, and then we will need to click on this icon, and then you will need to click on get or download, depends on the store that you are using. We click on get, then you will need to confirm and add your password, etc. And after that we are going to wait for the app to download. So basically now we are just going to wait for it to download, and those are like the informations or all the infos concerning this application. So basically after the download and the installation has finished, we need to go to our application. So we are going to click on it, and now we will need to wait until it opens. And as you can see, you can just allow the track or other things. So let's go here, and now we will need to create an account, or we can just log in on one of these accounts like Google, Facebook, or Snapchat, or Apple accounts. So if you want to create your account with email, just click on create an account, or you can just sign in with your Google account. You click on continue, you choose the account that you want to connect with, you add your informations, and then you will be able to use this application. So for the moment, let's just skip by clicking on this X at the corner. We click on it, and now we will be able to use the application. So all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. So now all you need to do is to select a picture that you want to edit. You click on it, and now it will take you to the edit section. So let's just skip this ad. We skip it, then you click on just discard everything, and now you will find this toolbar here. So basically all you need to do is to click on the tools, and now you will find multiple tools so you can edit a picture. So basically all you need to do is to click to any tool so you can start editing the picture. For example, you can select something, you start brushing here. For example, you can let's go to brushes, and here we go we right click, and basically you can also just select something by using automatic or AI selections. Also you can start cutting the parts that you are using, and as you can see you will only cut the parts that you have selected. Otherwise you can use other selections or other tools. Let's just discard these changes. You can add some effects to the picture, for example like some filters, blurry filters, etc. You can do multiple things with this application. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.